arrived. So we've got Nick outside being absolute legend and clearing all the snow. He wanted to do it, I promise. And I'm gonna do a little chalet tour because I want to. Oh god. This place has got so many stairs, it's a bit ridiculous. This is the entrance to the chalet, and look, it's snowing. So you come in and we got our boot room where we've got all of our coats and we've got everyone's boots, skis. If you come through here, we're gonna have to figure out how on earth this works. Oh my god, it's tiny, but we've got a sauna. And you come back through here. It's like little Red Riding Hood. Little shower room, and there's a little toilet in there. And then this is Mum and Dad's room. This is where Johnny and Laura are gonna be. And I've done this for everyone. I got this for all the girlies. Get all matching pajamas as well. And they got a little vodka thing. Got a bathroom. And this is gonna be mine and Nikki's room. This is gonna be literally just Fiona's room. Yeah, she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She could literally sleep on a different bed every night if she wanted. Of course, she's got all the little stuff as well. Back out this way. And then you've got a little seating area here. Got a really nice open fire in the middle of the room. Nick's still doing the shoveling of the snow. Our bar, as I like to call it. It's only a little kitchen, but it does the job. And then up here, I think it's the cutest thing. Got these tiny little rickety stairs, but there's like a bed. It's literally just a bed. Put Sassy's things here, Flynn's things there, ski map, and then they've literally got this view. It's first day skiing. I'm excited. I can't wait to go up there now. I just want to go. birthday, and it's basically a complete whiteout. I went to a macaroon shop. I didn't actually save the macaroon for you to see because I ate it. But a girl gave me a free macaroon because I was like, is it a gift? And I was like, well, it's a gift for myself because it's my birthday. So she gave me one of the nice ones with the gold on top. I did take a picture, so I'll put it in. I didn't really ski that much today just because, I mean, yeah. And also, the fact that my leg's been really hurting. Well, my foot more than my leg. You know, what's going on? Hopefully other people should be back at the chalet. I'm not sure. Curtains aren't open, but we'll see. But yeah, it's freezing and my foot was hurting, so that's why I didn't really ski much. I skied a few runs, but not that many. Let's see if anyone's back. No boots or anything. I've forgotten the code. Yeah.
Yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah.
Yeah, you can't blow them.